morning, guys. Gotta love that early morning fog over the lake. When we first started camping here, I swear, there was a lake out here. Now it's got that eerie October fog everywhere. And fog really rolled in thick. This reminds me of the Northwest fog. It's crisp out here. I'm making coffee right now. I'll wait for the group to wake up. And I think we're gonna head on into Bismarck today. North Dakota. All right, I'll catch up with you guys later. Before we get into the city though, the sun has come out. Doesn't feel cold anymore. I'll probably be ditching the sweater here in a little bit, but we got a nice scenic overlook over here. It says Sunday, October 21st, 1804. A driving northeast wind, cold temperatures, and freezing rain and snow led to Lewis and Clark to seek shelter after only 7 miles. I've been through here in the RV, so I can't imagine what it was like for them on foot and horseback. I would probably give up too. Okay, we'll just wait till the snow and wind dies, and then North Dakota, it doesn't die. I'm just kind of stuck with it. And you got this nice little pillar here, talking about the meadowlark is the state bird of North Dakota. There's some information on Bismarck, the state capital of North Dakota. That's where we're heading. So, yeah, hop back in the rig. We'll go on into town today. Oh yeah, the Kool-Aid shirt. We're all parking here at this little cool park. I don't really know what it's called, but some interesting stuff around here. Look at this beautiful piece of artwork with the bald eagle. It kind of has that Chicago feel with the bean, except a little bit of vandalism on it. But this piece of art is called Reflections, and it represents the spirit eagle and Mother Earth. See, she's got her arms around Mother Earth. That's neat. Huh. That's cool. And behind me, the Missouri River once again. Remember I told you we were going to meet back up with the Missouri? Well, in fact, if I were to throw a leaf in the Missouri River right here, 400 miles south, east, more on that later. We'll be meeting back up with this body of water as it turns in with another big river later on. So what is this? Is this a snow slide? Or like the water would go down, you just slide right into the river? Maybe it's for rainwater. Isn't it weird how some big rivers actually look like an ocean beach? I mean, this is sand. You don't see that too often with a river. Maybe a lake, but it almost looks like a tidal beach. It's pretty. That's a massive river out there. And again, the fall colors everywhere. What a great time to be out in this area. The name of the park? Steamboat Park. Pretty cool. Really has that Lewis and Clark feel. You know, it's also interesting because from another standpoint, some vlogger travelers out there, they're only looking for the places where they can overnight park to plan their days. So, you know, a city park like this that's only open when the sun's out doesn't draw a whole lot of RVers. And yet, as you can see, we got all our RVs here at the park. That's because we just want to enjoy it for the daytime for a few hours, and then we'll go find an approved spot to camp. You know, when you're going from RV park to RV park or campground, you're just worried about getting parked and settled and leveled and comfortable and everything. But with the nomad life, you get to make more stops and just kind of make the day go a little more smooth. And I'm actually really, really lucky. Because traveling right now with Aja and Scott and Terry, they got the same mentality. There's no rush. There's no plan. You see something, stop and check it out. do whatever we want to do. So it's working really well. And all those cold days, today makes up for it here in Bismarck, for sure. Grasshoppering. The shifting sandbars of the Missouri made navigation difficult for even experienced river pilots. Steamboats could literally lift up and pull themselves across a sandbar using thick poles called spars, which were set in the sand. The power of a steam capstan attached by ropes to the spars did the heavy moving. I suppose this is why they call it Steamboat Park. They got a little steamboat right here at the dock we can walk up onto. Oh yeah, it's got that almost Mark Twain feel up here. The Western River steamboats could carry 300 to 400 tons of cargo in the 1870s. Wow, that's a lot of cargo. What are you doing, you crazy puppy? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, okay. So I have broken away from the group for the afternoon because I gotta do laundry and a few things. I'm gonna meet back up with them. We get it. These bras hanging from the ceiling. Okay, I'm gonna meet back up with them at Walmart later. What in the... Okay, is there a record for most bras hanging from a bar? Borrowed Bucks Roadhouse. I have never seen anything like it. There's got to be thousands of pairs of bras hanging from this roof, guys. Oh wait, there's more on the other side. What the? I guess if you gotta be known for something, you might as well just hang underwear from the side of your building. I feel like that would be a building violation code back home. Not in North Dakota. That's colorful. Nicely done. All right, stay with me, guys, here. I don't usually talk about laundromats. There's not really a whole lot of reason to, but this one has a few quick things I just want to point out here at King Coin Laundry. This is not your typical laundromat because there's also a 4-bay car wash, vacuums. Let me just go inside. So doing some laundry in here. They got the big washers here are 7. These are 4, so we're getting those going. But there's a couple things I want to show you in here. For instance, an entertainment center. What do you think, guys? Yeah, there was a computer here that you could put money in and use the computer. Basically before the time of just using your cell phone in a laundromat. I've never seen one of those like that. Also, I've been to a lot of laundromats on the road. I've never seen anything like this. Weird? It's a G-force spinner. So once your laundry gets done in the washing machine, you can put it over here, and for another $1, it'll G-force spin your laundry, get all of that soap out, get all that water out, to save you money on the dryer too. And this washing machine right here, a little strange. Respect yo mama. Yo mama says not load more than 80% full for best results. Short on time and not too dirty. Yo mama talking now, save money too. Different, right? Let's go outside. They got some video poker of sorts, and look, the table goes up and down. So whether you're sitting or standing, he's pushing a button back there. And this is the owner of the place.
Oh, okay.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Mike Walsh from King Coin.
King Coin here in Bismarck, North Dakota.
Yeah, kingcoin.com if you want to know more details.
Working payphones right here. Yeah. This is the funny part to me, a dog bath here at the laundromat. So while you're washing your clothes, you can also wash your dog. You excited about your bath? Yeah? Oh, how exciting is that? It's gonna be clean. But it'll be over with soon.
Sometimes I do her in the bathtub at home, and then
and then you gotta clean it all up.
and then I take her every couple of months for her nails and the haircuts in the bath.
There's the air dryer going in, getting all the water out.
Okay.
Doing good, you're a trooper. All right. All done, all right. So I'm loading the spinner here, guys, putting all my heavy stuff in there. Sweaters. I got my big wool jacket down there and towels and everything. And we're gonna get this up to speed here. We'll put $1 in there. go. Oh yeah, she's going. It'll show the RPM right there too. 1700 RPM. There it is. All right, opening up. There we go. Wow, that's a lot better. That's amazing. I don't know, maybe I'm just easily amused or something, but that's a lot of stuff that I've never seen considering all the laundromats I go to all the time, so thought I'd share that with you. Yeah, so I got all of my sweaters and jackets, all the stuff that's basically been up top storage and in two big trash bags since March. Got all that stuff washed. It just had a strange smell, even though I put dehumidifiers inside the bags, little salt packets inside the bags to keep them fresh. They just had a smell I didn't like. So now everything's good to go. Hopefully we'll be getting south soon enough where it won't matter and I won't need those again. You know, and lastly, about traveling with other people. I had this feeling in my mind it was going to be stressful, and what do you do if somebody wants to do something different, and how do you, or like we're all going to film the same thing, but it really has not been that way the last couple days. For instance, we're here at a Walmart. Aja's over there in the corner by herself. Terry and Scott are way over there. They picked that spot to be away from the noise. I think the tire and lube center was a little noisier and the trucks are going to be louder. That's my preference. And then Aja also said that she's going to be up till like 2 a.m. playing video games and watching TV, so she wants to run her generator. So we're like sprawled out with lots of room over here, all doing our own thing. I'm going to edit for about 3 or 4 more hours, maybe even put this video together inside the RV, and then we'll be back on the road tomorrow. To give you an idea, I haven't even talked with anybody to see what we all might want to do tomorrow, which is kind of weird. Like, we don't even know. We'll just figure it out. I may make some just suggestions. They might make some suggestions. We might just stay in Bismarck one more day, or we might go all the way to Fargo tomorrow. I don't know. So, guys, have a good night. From Jackson, I will see you in a couple days. Bye-bye. You're fine. I'm just going to talk to myself.